REOLINK Altas PT Ultra Review 4K solar camera that tracks everything. Ever felt uneasy leaving your home or backyard unmonitored? Many homeowners struggle with blind spots, unreliable cameras, or tangled wires. Comment yes if this sounds familiar. There's a way to achieve full, worry-free outdoor surveillance without the hassle of cables or constant maintenance. One device promises to make security effortless and professional. Missed packages, uninvited guests, or pets wandering off can turn into stressful, avoidable headaches. Imagine having a camera that automatically tracks motion, works in full color at night, and runs completely wire-free with solar power. Suddenly, checking your property becomes simple, fast, and worry-free. Your home can be safer without adding chaos to your daily routine. Meet the REOLINK Altas PT Ultra, a 4K solar-powered security camera designed to handle it all. With 3840 by 2160 resolution, you can read license plates, identify faces, and see every detail, even at night with Color X night vision. Its 360 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt coverage ensures no corner is left unmonitored, while AI-powered auto-tracking follows people, vehicles, or pets across its field of view. One rural homeowner said, "The spotlight scared off a potential intruder immediately, full peace of mind without lifting a finger." Installation is completely wireless, and the included 6-watt solar panel keeps the 500-day battery topped off, making it essentially maintenance-free. Choose from motion-triggered, continuous, or pre-recording modes to suit your schedule. For a bonus tip, pairing multiple cameras with the REOLINK Home Hub creates a centralized monitoring system. Compact yet powerful, this camera blends professional-grade security with user-friendly setup, giving homeowners freedom, flexibility, and safety. The REOLINK Altas PT Ultra transforms outdoor surveillance into a proactive, intelligent solution. Its 4K Ultra HD clarity and Color X night vision let you see every movement in vivid detail, whether it's day or night. Users report seamless AI detection and auto-tracking that accurately follows people, vehicles, or pets, reducing false alerts. One parent said, "I can watch my kids and dog play safely while seeing every detail clearly." Experts praise the device for combining wire-free installation, dual-band Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and solar-powered longevity into a single, compact unit. Home security influencers note that its 500-day battery life and solar panel mean you never need to worry about power or maintenance. Industry analysts highlight that it's a buy-it-for-life investment, offering features traditionally reserved for professional-grade systems. Whether you're protecting a backyard, driveway, or remote property, this camera eliminates blind spots and reduces stress. Which feature would save your day? Auto-tracking, Color X night vision, or solar power? Comment below. The Altas PT Ultra blends intuitive tech, reliability, and clarity, making security proactive instead of reactive. Don't compromise your home's safety. Thousands of homeowners already rely on the REOLINK Altas PT Ultra for stunning 4K clarity, wire-free solar power, and intelligent auto-tracking. Limited stock means now is the perfect time to upgrade your security. Click to secure your camera, unlock full-color night vision, and enjoy worry-free surveillance with zero maintenance. Don't just watch. Protect your home with professional-grade, hassle-free monitoring today.